that's it. Oh, Jackie says 60 stickers on each sheet times each color. There you go. Thank you, my love. You're better at math than I am. I'm afraid to count on the air because I'll mess up somehow. Can I give you that? So the next one we're going to talk about is this one. And this one, this one is a long time coming. I wanted to get this one on HSN a while back. I finally was able to get it into the schedule. And this one is just, it's just one of those that you're going to grab all the time. So those of you that are new to Stamps of Life, I am big on card die bases. In fact, do not judge me. Do not judge me. But this is my most used card die bases. Anyone that is familiar with Stamps of Life will tell you in the chat, yeah, we do card bases like all the time, because there is no way in the world I'm going to take this to my trimmer and trim it perfectly. And then I'm going to take it to my scoring tool and score it perfectly. And then I'm going to fold those that card together, and the corners aren't going to line up. It's a conspiracy. It really is. It's like, I don't know why that is true, but no matter how well you try with a regular trimmer and a regular scoring tool, never works out. With a card die, it's perfect every time. Perfect every time. Because if you use a trimmer and the scoring tool, now it's crooked. So now you got to trim a little bit off this edge. Now you got to look at it and go, oh, now this side's at crooked. Now I got to trim a little bit off this edge. Then you go down the bottom. I got to trim the bottom. And by the time you do all that trimming, the card's no longer the normal size, right? It's some random different size. So just saying. Now, let's look at this one, because this one is really exciting. I'm so excited I finally get to bring this on the air. This is called the Birthday Wishes A2 card die set. And it looks like this. Look at how cute that is. It has that fun scallop at the bottom or on the side. Boom, 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 boom. 5. Now, it comes with words that say, oh, here, let me show you this. This is better. It comes with, of course, layering dies, because yes, of course, I want layering dies. I hope you want layering dies too. Then it also comes with words. So it comes with cute little warm wishes, or you could say birthday wishes, or you could say warm birthday wishes. You could say no, not warm birthday. That'd be kind of weird, huh? Okay. But there's more. I'm not sure. I must have another card on here. There's also the word happy. That's a die set that you can drop in here to have it die cut. I'll show that on the air when we go to when I go to HSN. But there are so many different extra dies in here. Now, let me show you. You're also getting photopolymer stamps. Photopolymer stamps. These are perfect for the inside. Perfect for the inside. Your birthday is a celebration of the wonderful person you are. May your day be filled with as much joy as you bring to others. Happy birthday. Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and joy. Celebrating you today and always. Happy birthday, dear friend, and enjoy every moment. Perfect for the inside. Now, you're also getting, and every once in a while, you're getting 5 adhesive sheets, because why not, right? You're also getting some epoxy stickers. Now, what? 2, 3, 4. You're getting 5 sheets of epoxy stickers. And this is not a small epoxy sticker sheet. This is, what am I on a roller? This is a big epoxy sheet. This is 4 by 6, I'm guessing. 4 by 6. So you're getting 5 of these in all of my favorite colors to help decorate this awesome card base. Now let's look at some samples so you can get an idea of how awesome this is. Look at how cute that is. There's your birthday wishes. Yes, the words come with shadows. Absolutely love this. Thank you, Denise. She says I'm creative. Oh, thank you. You're getting those little dots. You can die cut those little circles. Add the cute little flower if you want to. So cute. Celebrating you today and always. Happy birthday, dear friend. Yes, that stamp's included. Yes, this layering die is included. Okay. And the green dotted layering die. Yes, that's included also. Here's another one. So it's horizontal or vertical. The choice is yours. The choice is yours. Look how cute those little circles line up right there. Enjoy every moment. again, that layering die is included. Here's another one. A lot of the design team used our newest flower set. This is from Stamps of Life. So you might see a lot of that. But here we go. Here's that happy I was telling you about. It's one die. So it'll die cut all the happy at the same time. So you can do that. So you're not gluing those letters all different pieces. You're just boom. And then there you go. So that is, there we go. Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and joy. And then happy birthday. There we go. Again, same thing on the, this one is vertical. Again, you could also do horizontal. The choice is yours, right? Look at that. That's a die I took on HSN a while back. Ooh, there's those stickers. Oh, and who in the world? Not very often do you see a die that says grandma. Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? Look at how cute. Yes, you could do different colors. You don't have to do white. Look at how cute that is. But those are our stickers. So fun. Birthday wishes. There's some of those flower stickers. You're going to love those. I honestly, you guys, I can't. I always have a lot of these stickers around and the kids always steal them. So that's why I'm glad I have so many, because if I lose one or two sheets to the grandkids, I'm still good. I have plenty. So that is the birthday wishes. Yes, you get the 5 adhesive sheets. Yes, you get the cute little, the photopolymer stamps. So awesome. I know. And you guys, I'm only showing you like 15% of the samples I have, because otherwise we'd be here till midnight, right? But I just wanted you to be able to see a sample. I also recommend that you go in and like write down which ones you want, that you know you want. So if you want to wait for the crafting cart, I go on live on, oh, let's see if I remember. I don't remember my times. I do have times. So let me really quick. I have one more item to show you and then we'll do a recap. But the times that I'm going, oh, here it is. The times that I'm going on are 11 a.m. Eastern. That's 8 a.m. Pacific. Noon Eastern, 9 a.m. Pacific, and 9 p.m. Eastern, so 6 p.m. Pacific. Oh, times get me killed. So we'll send out a newsletter that lets you know what times I'm going to be on, so you can make sure you watch. But if you miss the live, that's okay. You can go back to their program guide and click on the hour that you want to watch, and it'll show you the whole hour, so you don't have to worry about missing it if it's live. Okay, so that is the birthday wishes.